I have fibromyalgia first of all, which I've been living with for about 21 years. And it causes a lot of problems. It causes memory fog, memory problems to begin with, and a lot of problems sleeping. You don't get a good night's sleep. You don't get into the REM sleep. So to have a good night's sleep and to wake up refreshed, I can't remember what that's like. I also suffered from a TB strain infection in my chest, and well, actually the bacteria is gone now because of the treatments here. And the medications that I was on, the really strong antibiotics that were like cancer drugs, were very hard on the body to take. So having this treatment instead of that treatment is a world of difference, because with every drug there's side effects. I was aware of the hyperbaric treatments because of a friend that I met at a dog park, of all places, and she was suffering from Lyme disease, and believe it or not, after 15 years she's Lyme-free. I found it really interesting, and she invited me to come along with her, and I did, and I'm not sorry I did. I thank God for it every day.
15 years ago, I was bitten by a tick while visiting relatives and walking their dog in a rural setting, and had no idea that I could get Lyme disease from that, remove the tick, and ended up with all of these strange symptoms. So I was suffering with this awful disease that very little is known about for 15 years, as I mentioned. Was receiving treatment from a doctor for the last 5 years with antibiotics, which makes you very sick in and of itself. And was thrilled to learn about the hyperbaric chamber treatments as an option for Lyme patients, particularly because I needed to take a break from the antibiotic use, as one often does, because technically it's the liver enzymes that get too high and you're in danger. You have to stop taking the antibiotics, and then you're left with no other option until I found out about hyperbaric chamber treatments. And I started that 7 months ago, and it has made a huge, huge difference in my life. I've actually gotten rid of the majority of Lyme bacteria in that short amount of time of only 7 months, compared to 5 years of antibiotic treatment.